Hello guys, so for those of you that say your OBS only shows one screen, so if you newly install your OBS, this is exactly how it is going to look like. It is going to show you one screen. Now to fix this, you go down to the lower right hand side next to settings, you see studio mode. So this is what you click for it to split into two screens, which is your preview output and your program output. Now I told you in my previous video that the advantage of preview output is that you can make whatever changes you want to make without it affecting what your live audience is seeing. Just as you can see, I can adjust this video, or if it is a text, I can adjust the text, and then when I'm done with it, I will fade it to my program output before my audience will be able to see it. Alright, so that is the advantage. Okay, so don't forget, if you want to switch to studio mode, you come over to the lower right hand side and you toggle this button. Okay, but the downside to studio mode is whatever changes you are making to your studio mode, it is going to be appearing directly in your live output. Okay, and your audience will be able to see that you are making that changes. Alright, that is one disadvantage of studio mode, but the advantage of it is that it makes your output looks bigger and bolder. Okay, so if you want to change it, you come down to your lower right hand side and you click on studio mode. Alright, so let me know if you have any question in the comment section. Thank you guys, see you in the next one.